All right, here we are on Courtney's 68 Eldo. He got this very nice Champion radiator, which I've used Champion many, many times. Always a nice product. According to eBay and Champion, this is supposed to fit this. Well, you'll see in the clip that's going to come after this that it does not. It does not seat all the way here. We had the shroud out and back, and what it does is it interferes down here in the actual channel the radiator rests in the core support. Now, we're not going to cut or trim our core support. We're not going to trim up a 68 Eldorado. It's not a custom car. It's not a hot rod. We're not doing it. So I'm also going to measure this and measure the bottom as well. And we're not going to take out the pads either, because it had to go down a lot further than just that little bit of rubber pad. So let me get the tape measure. All right, so I'm going weld to weld, and it's about 3 1/4. Give it a little bit, say 3 3/8. 3 3/8, 3 1/2. Now let's go into the car itself. Stay, Mr. Radiator. You can see down in there. Oh, the tape measure should be really fun. Do it. So it's about 3 1/4. It's hard to see it, but it's 3 1/4 in the tray. Maybe 3 3/8 on a good day. So it's hanging up on the welds. You can see where it's rubbing right here. There it is. It's hanging up on the welds. I'm not going to grind on a brand new radiator. That's no. I'm not grinding on that. I'm not grinding on the car. So the product is not meeting the tolerances that's supposed to. Because it's really hitting this side. That's even worse, because it doesn't even go all the way down. The upper hose ends up here. Okay, so we're touching down at the very bottom of the shroud. Nope, it won't go down. It's interfering with the actual bracket. It's too wide. Nope, it won't even fit. If this shroud was completely out of here, it still wouldn't fit, because the channel that it sits in is too fat, or not fat enough. There's no way. There's no way whatsoever. So, you know, we're not cutting up the 68 Eldorado. So, it's time to write these guys an email.
Okay.